I just noticed that I recorded this in 1080p. If you want it in 4K, please comment and let me know, and I will reshoot the video in 4K. I'm really sorry about this. Sorry guys, 1080p only, and I hope that you enjoy the video, and let me know if I should record it in 4K, and I will do that and get back to you guys.
Okay, first nighttime ride with the Clearwater lights. Here's a Billy brake light. You can see behind. It says both running. Really bright. Very bright. Let's start her up, see what happens. Here we go. Here comes brightness. Okay, that might be a little bit too bright. Holy shit, that's high. Maybe that's not too bright. Let's turn off the auxiliaries. Yeah, there you go. Damn, these things are bright. This is the nighttime brightness, so I think it defaults around 40%. I might want to go for 20% to be honest. I don't really want to blind it. I'm going to get a couple of flashes though, only because it is so bright. So the auxiliaries are back on now. That cover's over there though. It's a nice 40-degree width. And then high. Holy shit. Oh my god. That is so bright. Oh my god. I can see everything. Turn bright and highs off. So that's normal. And there we go. On high again. Let's see if we can dial these back a little bit. We have to have the nav 6 unplugged before I can customize it. So auxiliaries off really just takes away from that edge over there. I mean, it's so faint. So this is the normal headlight with the, I gotta check the manual, but I think the default is Darla's and Erica at 40% for nighttime. I've got them set at 10% during the day. I have to disconnect the nav 6 in order to, no flash, that's good. Display off. There we go, that's better. Okay, so right now what you're looking at is, I originally set up the Billy brake light to flash once on decel when I let off the throttle, and then brake 5 times whenever, strobe 5 times whenever I actually, this is whenever I actually brake. This is more than enough light for nighttime use. This is almost extreme for nighttime use. And see the grate patterns? So that's the grate patterns in the headlight. This is the alt-rider grate patterns. And they're actually not so bad, because what's happening is the Erica and the Darla are compensating for basically what is a weak headlight. And I wish I could simply turn these off. Here's turn the Ericas off. Whoops, that's the aux. Let's turn aux off, turn the Ericas off. No, that's the Darla's off, I think. That might be all of them off. No, that was the Erica's off. Okay, so that's the Darla's on and headlight on. And if I go high beam, everything turns back on again. So turn the Erica's back on. There we go. So then high beam is just ridiculous. This never gets old. Oh, actually, whoa, did you see that? Traction control went off. I gotta be careful. It's still sandy and salty out here. It is 24 degrees outside. Like curves like this, I gotta be careful on, or I will wreck. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, that gets everyone's attention. Alright, well, that's enough of that for now. Actually, what I will do, because I've been in a straight line, I wanted to show you guys how the Darlas look when I'm turning. So what I'll do is I'll turn this off, and I'll wait till we get a few corners, and I'll come back to you guys in a second when we do some corners, some twisties. Again, I can't lean all the way over, but I'll show you an example of how the... actually, what I could do here is I could stop for just a second, turn this off. We'll come to a complete stop here. No one's coming. So, turning. So there's a Darla's turning. Like that. So you have an idea of how bright the Darlas are. So here we are. So now we're on a road with no lights at all. So let's go off. So this is just the Darlas at 30%, Ericas at 30%. Turn the Ericas off. So now this is just the Darlas. Turn the auxiliary lights off. So now I'm losing a little bit of that corner visibility. And then bring it back. That's the fog lights back on. And they have a mesh guard on them, so they're a little meshed. And then I'm going to keep the high beam off until we get past this house up here. Let's turn the Ericas still off. So we got a little bit of a corner. And unfortunately, I can't. There's a great turn up here. I love leaning over. I can't quite lean over because, well, there's still sand and salt in the roads. But there's full brightness. And these kind of roads will scare the shit out of me at nighttime because I can't see anything on the side of the roads with the normal lights. But with this mode, it is like turning night into day. So we're going to go around this corner here. Hopefully we'll get a little more visibility. Again, I can't really turn the front wheel too much. There we go. Man, we're getting traction control like crazy. I gotta be careful. I should chill out a little bit. This is probably a little bit saltier and sandier than the light is leading me to believe. Certainly, I don't see any black ice though. I think it would reflect off the LEDs. And again, Adam, don't crash. Yeah, we're taking this turn slowly. I think I'll end the video for now though. Since you kind of seen what we're working with here. And yeah, I think this is an insane brightness combo if you can afford the $1,600. Well, not to mention you're getting a GS Adventure with the LED lights and the auxiliary headlamps, which is another, you know, $800 option on top of the stock, and so you don't get the premium package. And then you add on the $1,600 for the Erica, the Darla with the can opener, 2.1 software, and the relay and the brackets. You're looking at, you know, on paper, about $3,000 in lighting options. But this is what you see though. And it's damn beautiful. Actually, this is shooting straight. Yeah, I got some black eyes here. Oh, that's it right here. Hello. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, well the problem is in the middle here is just broken down sand and salt. And it's gnarly. I gave the bike a little bit of gas, and the rear tire just spun out. I'm going to get the TKC 80s on some dirt road, but don't forget, guys, it's 21 degrees outside. No exploring tonight. But yeah, I will end the video here. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and rock on. Get a little horn here to the closing out. Bye, guys.